हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम करुँची सरोजिनी ट्यूटोरियल को। आज आम ओटीईटी रे आसुथिबा इंग्लिश पेडागोजी यूनिट वाइज कवर करी जिबा। चलंतु स्टार्ट करिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कौन कहिची ना द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया हैज अप्रूव्ड इन 1950 इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एज डेस। कौन हम ना दी नेटिव लैंग्वेज हम ना दी नेशनल लैंग्वेज हम ना दी प्रोविजनल लैंग्वेज हम ना दी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ दी कंट्री हम। कौन हम जोटा कि करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी। कौन हम ना दी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ दी कंट्री। बुझीगल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा। एट दी स्कूल स्टेज इंग्लिश इज टॉट एज ए मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन ना एज ए टीचिंग प्रोसेस एज ए लर्निंग प्रोसेस ना एज ए टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस। कौटा हम जोटा कि एज ए मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए। कौन ना एज ए मीडियम इंस्ट्रक्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा। इंग्लिश इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द यूनियन गवर्नमेंट एंड द स्टेट असेंबलीज ना द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर ना द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स ना द यूनियन टेरिटोरीज। कौटा हम जोटा कि द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी। English is the language of communication between the union government and the state governments. Correct answer option number C. Next question देखिबा। English is the means of interstate communication. This means government at the center and the states communicate in English. Now people from different states converse in English. Now states use English as their official language. Now states communicate with one another in English. कौटा हम जोटा कि people from different states converse in English. Correct answer option number B. Next question देखिबा। कहिची English has been rightly described as the language of opportunity because the knowledge of English helps get passport. Now opportunity comes to the learning of English. Now the knowledge of English is a successful passport for employment. Now it is a language of chance. कौटा हम कहिची कौन ना English has been rightly described as the language of opportunity because the knowledge of English is a successful passport for employment. Correct answer option number C. Next question देखिबा। English is the associate official language of India as its study is compulsory. Now it is used as a medium of instruction at school and college level. Now it is used in official administration. Now it can be used in parliament and official activities. कौटा हम जोटा करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा। इंग्लिश इज द मदर टंग ऑफ 500 million people in the world. Now 300 million people in the world. Now 10 million people in the world. Now 160 million people in the world. कौटा हम ना English is the mother tongue of 300 million people in the world. Correct answer option number B. Next question देखिबा। English is one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations Organization, na the World Trade Organization, na the World Health Organization, na the World Labour Organization. कौटा हम ना English is one of the 6 official languages of United Nations Organization. Correct answer option number A. Next question देखिबा। English as a window language through which we are able to see the scientific, technological, agricultural, commercial and literacy developments. whatever, taking place in the Indian states, na taking place in India, na taking place in Odisha, na taking place in the world, जोटा कि करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी, taking place in the world. से कही इंग्लिश एज ए विंडो लैंग्वेज थ्रू व्हिच we are able to see the scientific, technological, agricultural, commercial and literacy developments. कौन हम जोड़ा taking place in the world. Next question देखिबा. English is treated as a library language because it is the key to the storehouse of knowledge. Now it is used in library. Now only librarian uses this language. Now most of the knowledge is not yet available in Indian language. Good habo. English is treated as a library language because it is the key to the storehouse of knowledge. Correct answer option number A. Next question देखिबा. The phrase English as a library language only implies that English ought to be read in library. Now most of the books in library are English. Now it is necessary to read periodicals written in English. Now the skill of reading would be paid much more attention than the others. Would have the correct answer option number D. The skill of reading would be paid much more attention than the others. Next question देखिबा. Language learning deals with the skills of writing, na reading, na speaking. Now all of this. से कौन कही language learning टा deals करे with the skills of writing भी, reading भी और speaking भी. Correct answer option number D. जोड़ा कि सबू हबो, writing भी हबो, reading भी हबो और speaking भी हबो. Next question कौन कही proper eye span is needed for reading, na writing, na speaking, na listening. से कही proper eye span टा needed माने आवश्यक करे कोडा ना reading. Correct answer option number A. Next question देखिबा. Phonetics or the science of pronunciation deals with the skills of this. कोडा हबो ना correct writing, ना correct speaking, ना correct listening, ना correct reading. से कही phonetics or the science of pronunciation deals with the skill of correct speaking. Correct answer option number B. Next question देखिबा. Writing skill is the ability to write English dash beautiful, na correctly, na elegantly, na smoothly. Good habo na writing skill is the ability to write English correctly. Correct answer option number B. Next question देखिबा. Reading skills plural help students form the habit of reading dash for pleasure, for information, for pleasure and information, for understanding. Good habo. Se kochi reading skills plural help students form the habit of reading dash for pleasure and information. Correct answer option number C. Next question देखिबा. Speaking skills or competency deals with the ability to speak dash cleverly, beautifully, intelligibly, ना comfortably. कोड हबो जोड़ा कि intelligibly. Correct answer option number C. Next question देखिबा. The act of following directions given orally deals with dash reading skills, writing skills, listening skills, na speaking skills. कोड हबो जोड़ा कि listening skills. Correct answer option number C. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, यूजिंग एप्रोप्रिएट vocabulary and grammatical items is concerned with dash. देखिए, listening competency, na writing competency, na reading competency, na speaking competency. कोड़ा जोड़ा कि writing competency. Correct answer option number B. Next question देखिए, speaking and writing are grouped as dash. Speaking ଆଉ writing କହିଛି are grouped as active skills, passive skills, semi active skills, semi passive skills. କୋଉଟା ହବ जोड़ा कि active skills. Correct answer option number A. Next question देखिए, under passive skills we have speaking and writing, na reading and listening, na writing and reading. से कहछि under passive skills we have reading and listening. Correct answer option number C. Next question देखिए, student acquires the ability to use a suitable dictionary in dash. Listening skill, speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills. कोड़ा हबो जोटा कि writing skills. Correct answer option number D. कौन ना writing skills. Student acquires the ability to use a suitable dictionary in writing skills. Correct answer option number D. वीडियो टी भल लगे लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करंतु।